This is the famous second theme from the Chopin G minor Ballade. Piano Somatics is going to show you how to master this and give you fully singing orchestral color. Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, where we learn to move better in order to play better. Use the basic actions of standing, walking, running, jumping to improve our sound. It's so simple, and yet the applications are so profound. Let's begin with the left hand. How many people have struggled to play those chords in a phrased way? Chopin writes a long phrase, and if you use any sort of a down action, a drop, or a weighted touch, you lose the phrase. It's physics. There's an interruption in the smooth flow of motion. But it's not easy. If I take my other hand and put it on my forearm, I can carry that arm. And then I realize, my goodness, my fingertips are dropping in, but everything else is standing up and moving. Once that basic division of labor is established, the arm moves from one chord to the next, and it's only the fingers that move the notes. You get this glorious, clear, voiced, orchestrated harmonic sonority. It's wonderful, it's scintillating, and it's invigorating. For the right hand, stand up. There's no drop. There's no drop. A drop would compress the sound. A drop would compress your physical self so that you have to now release. And here, I actually stand up by doing a grasping action, trying to bring 1 and 5 together. Did you hear? It's as if there's two voices, this one and this one. It's not just an octave, it's orchestrated. By trying to grasp, I create a tensility in my hand. The hand wants to consolidate and enhance its structure, continually regenerating, reinventing it. And thus the melody spins out as two instruments in tandem. It's a completely different sound from compressing or dropping in or using the weight. It's the opposite, and it's better. That's Piano Somatics.